It's me, Evan from Craft with Evan, and today we're going to be making something perfect for muggles and non-muggles. If you don't know what I mean Harry Potter. It is an iconic show. Harry Potter is played by Daniel Radcliffe, which I totally adore, and today we're going to be making the iconic Butterbeer. So let's get to it. I split the recipe in half because the muggles in my family do not like Butterbeer. So let's do the recipe. Your first ingredient is half a cup of brown sugar. Make sure you put it in a medium size pot. Whew. Now we're going to add our water. Thank you. Now we're going to mix it. If you need, always have parental guidance around stoves and fire. Step 1, you add a half a cup of brown sugar and then a tablespoon of water. I put my thermometer in to see when it will reach 240 degrees. Step 2, I'm going to add my cider vinegar, sea salt, and heavy whipping cream. Make sure to have a parent around. Now we're going to add our butter. I'm going to be completely honest with all of everybody's that watching, because we should all be honest. I did get scared there, and I had a parent to help me. Thank you so much. Now that I've put my butter, I'm going to mix it, and once it's all mixed in, you're going to set it out to cool. Now that we've had it all mixed in and let it cool, now we're going to add our 1/4 of rum extract. Now we're going to stir it in. It smells really good, guys. And if you don't have rum extract during this pandemic, it's okay. I'm sure you can improvise with whatever you have. Now that we have it all mixed in, we're gonna go for 1 tablespoon of it. Now I'm going to add the stuff that I put the rum in, and the struggle is unreal. Now you're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna get my assistant named Siri to set a timer for 2 minutes. Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Your timer is set for 2 minutes.
Now we're gonna start mixing. Now that I put 1/4 a cup in each of the rum concoction that we made, now I'm going to add 1/4 of cream soda in each. Did y'all see that? Now we're going to mix it up. It smells when you get like those French toast and waffles, like French waffles. That should be a thing. Give it a big thumbs up if I should make French waffles. I don't have waffles, so that we can do that. Now we're gonna add the rest of our cream soda into this one. I'm just kidding, guys. Now we're going to put the delicious smelling topping on. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. The rest right on. Perfect. Now let's try it. The moment of truth. That is so good. Let me wipe my milk stash off. I encourage you to do this 100% and make sure to go to tablespoon.com to find the Butterbeer recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give it a big, big thumbs up. Let's hope we can hopefully make some French waffles. Bye for now.